take half time, focus on the foundation. For people, they don't get real progress. The only reason it is they have no good foundation. Dr. Pang arranged this level 1 to 3. It is offered for different people. It's not means you have to practice all kinds of methods. My name is Xie Chuan. Xie means thanks, thank you. Chuan means a big river, big flight. Now I'm staying in Shanghai. Shanghai is a busy city, but from the busy city, a lot of people competition here. So you can feel strong qi field here. We say qi field, it is a mind state. So many people together competition. They did best for business, for studying, for talking, for competition, for learn, then qi field getting strong and strong. Of course, also mix a lot of desire energy. This is for human, it's a normal state, but we can learn from the concentration, pure qi field from human. And since 35 years ago, I started to learn Zhineng Qigong. But before, I don't know any Qigong, because this year I was 17. I was 17. I have no any problem from body. The Qigong for me, it is no connection. I have no curious to learn Qigong. But my mother get very ill, body. The name doctor said is Ménière disease. When this ill come, she's sitting there, feel the house turning, very serious turning. She really suffering by this Ménière disease. And only 1 month, every day I brought my mother to go to park to learn Qigong because all kinds of doctor from hospital, they said, we don't know the reason, how come from this Ménière disease. So the Qigong, it is for my mother, it is the last choice, because have no any doctor to say, we can help you. So she started to learn Qigong and try to get healing from this Qigong practice. And after this 25 days, till now, this Ménière disease never happened again. The doctor said, we don't know how come, but in my mind, in my mother's mind, this Ménière disease is nothing. Only 25 days, beginner time, really beginner. Learn open close, lift qi up, qi down, and 3 center, study meditation. Then just find this 2 years teacher's class start. Then I have no any hesitation to go there. So this is the reason. Maybe it's for me, it is listen to heart. To this my Qigong life real start.
And what advice would you have for beginners?
For beginner, at least half time to learn the knowledge, to share and communication with somebody, get real effective, get real healing, building up the trust. Don't hurry to learn all kinds of technique. And second, take half time, focus on the foundation. For people, they don't get real progress. The only reason it is they have no good foundation. The foundation very surface. We need a very deeper foundation. Then they know what means, how to do, how to practice. In my mind, is one method is enough.
What method would you recommend to start with?
Best method for people is they can hold it. They still practicing, but they have no any expectations. Also, is how to find the best methods for people. You know, different people, different mind, different life experience. We cannot only offer the standard methods. Okay, I teach you level 1, 2, 3. You just follow. Then you can get deserve effective. No, people must be find which methods they have connection, inner connection. It's not mind. It's not logic thinking. Oh, it is my cup of tea. It is good for me. Then I good this. No, it must be people very easy change. If people have good foundation for one method, they don't have to learn other. Dr. Pang arranged this level 1 to 3. It is offered for different people. It's not means you have to practice all kinds of methods. Otherwise, it is a waste time.
Can I ask you how you would describe what Qi is? What does Qi mean to you?
Qi, it is my deeper life emotion. It is my best nutrition from my essence life. Essence life means consciousness. So always catch this point to expand into all kinds of exercises, including daily life, as Qi. Actually, Qi is myself. How to make myself inside deeper calm. I have inside a deeper anchor, like the ship anchor. Then you have your Qi field. And without mind judge, without body judge, without conditions.
And what do you enjoy most about teaching?
When people suddenly recognize, suddenly punch the table, oh, I understand it. This most success, most I feel it is deserve to overcome. You know, many people they want to move. They think Qigong is move. If we only talk, don't move, they have a lot of complaint. But I thought I make decision, don't go to teach. I just sharing what I have, what I understand, what I effective by the Qigong. Don't, in my mindset, don't go to teach. Maybe it's ego. But don't go to teach means whatever you learn, you don't learn. I share what I real, because real, it is diamonds. It is precious feeling. Teaching, sometimes I have to follow people. Oh, what you like? If you like move, okay, let's move. But you know, I like people understand and recognize themselves, not for learn too much technique. The technique, the movements never stop, never stop. I checked 25 years from Europe. Many people learned Qigong. Maybe when I was in the Qigong school, they visited Qigong, this Huaxia Qigong school already. But many teachers, they very early become teachers. They still think Qigong practice is a level 1, 2, 3. They focus, they sticking with this, then cannot make mind liberate. It's a misunderstanding what is Zhineng. Zhineng is intelligence process. We only ask the body how to move. We forgot the wisdom, intelligent mind, or sixth sense mind, or in holy state. Then this is very pity for Qigong. And the doctor said, I'm very low. If the water very low, I'm still low. Only the water high, I can follow the water high. I got support from you. If Qigong development very always the lower level, we cannot nourish Dr. Pang. We cannot return something to him.
Do you have any message you would like to share with your students?
Making foundation practice. This is a material foundation. Nobody can quit, skip this process. Otherwise, everything just become expectations. Make a deeper foundation. Lachi, other people 3 hours, you do 24 hours. Rofu, other people 3 hours, you do 20 hours. You must be very thankful for this foundation, because foundation, it is a shortcut. Nobody can jump to another level if no foundation. But this foundation need people stay in the house, stay in the room to practice. It is to share, it is to learn. But foundation, it is daily life practice.